Hello, fellow Linux enthusiasts. Today, we have some exciting news to discuss. Fedora 41 is gearing up for a significant upgrade by adopting the next-generation DNF5 package manager. Now, if you're like me, you might be wondering what this means for the future of Fedora and how it will impact your Linux experience. Well, fear not, because we're diving deep into all the details right here. So, what exactly is this change proposal all about? Let's break it down. The folks over at Fedora are planning to make a major shift by replacing the current DNF package manager with DNF5 in Fedora 41. Now, this move was originally slated for Fedora 39, but due to some missing tooling, it got postponed. However, the developers believe that the time is ripe for this transition, though they acknowledge that there are still some features to be ironed out in future updates. Now, for those unfamiliar, DNF5 represents a significant overhaul of its predecessor. It's like the next level in the evolution of package management for Fedora. Think of it as the new and improved version, built from the ground up to enhance performance, efficiency, and usability. One of the key changes with DNF5 is the switch from Python to C++, which comes with a host of benefits. This move results in a smaller footprint, fewer dependencies, and improved performance. And who doesn't love faster package management, am I right? DNF5 achieves this through machine code compilation, optimized loading from repositories, and other clever optimizations under the hood. But wait, there's more. DNF5 isn't just about speed and efficiency, it's also packed with new features to make your life easier. We're talking about visual progress indicators, support for local RPM packages, and even the ability to display information from package scripts. Plus, there's an advanced input completion system for Bash in the works, because why not make the command line experience even smoother? Now, before we get too carried away, it's essential to note that this proposed migration to DNF5 still needs the green light from the Fedora Engineering Steering Committee, Fesco. These are the folks responsible for the technical direction of Fedora, so their approval is crucial. If all goes well, we can expect to see DNF, libDNF, and DNF-Qtomatic replaced by their DNF5 counterparts, with the /usr/bin/DNF symlink pointing to the new executable. So when can we expect all of this to happen? Well, Fedora 41 is scheduled for release in the latter half of 2024, so mark your calendars and get ready for the next chapter in the Fedora journey. And there you have it, folks. The future of Fedora is looking brighter than ever with the adoption of DNF5. Whether you're a seasoned Linux user or just dipping your toes into the world of open-source software, this is definitely something to keep an eye on. As always, stay tuned for more updates, and until next time, happy hacking!